Hi YouTube. Today I am here to show you how to create a free website by using WordPress.com in 6 easy steps. So let's get started. Click on the web browser that you have. I have Mozilla Firefox. Now in this here type WordPress. Now this will search and here is WordPress.com. Create a free website or blog. Click here. Now this is the website WordPress.com. And this website provides us the platform to create our website. So click here, get started. Oh, this has taken directly before I have done. Now this is step 1 that will show after clicking get started. Now let's create your new WordPress site, and you should tell us what your blog or website is about, such as technology, education, art, music, and many other options. Choose the option that you are going to create a website about. Music. Now this is the home page. Step 2. This will help us figure out what kinds of designs to show you in our website. Okay, I'll use this. Now step 3, choose a theme. And you need to choose a theme, but it's not compulsory. You can also skip it by clicking here skip for now, and pick it. You should click slider and click here pick. Now in this here is type the username, and in this type I'm going to type Messi100. Okay, now and this shows you here's 2 options for free. I'll click this. Now in this there are free, personal, premium, business. Here are different prices also, but we are going to choose free, so select free. Okay, in this you should write your email address, choose a password, and click on create my account. Okay, and this will directly take you to the page. Here, see, like this it will take down. Thanks for waiting, we are ready for you to get started. Tap continue. Now this is the web blog that will come here, the site title, everything you'll get, and here set plant statistics, plant blog post, ad pages, and that's your new website like this. Okay, enjoy your website, post essential things, and you'll get benefited from it. Please like, subscribe our video, and till then, bye bye.